hit a roadblock that says you can't e-file your return. This is usually due to a specific, fixable problem within your return. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. First, don't panic. The error message should give a clue. Common reasons include missing or invalid forms, like a required 1095-A for marketplace insurance, incomplete information, or trying to e-file a return type your product doesn't support, like a trust return with TurboTax Online. Go to the File section and look for an Error Check or Review tool. This will often identify the exact section that's causing the problem and guide you to fix it. My crucial pro tip: check for a required identity protection PIN. If you were a victim of tax-related identity theft, the IRS may have issued you a 6-digit IP PIN. If you have one, you must enter it to e-file. Forgetting this is a common cause of rejection. Methodically follow the error clues, and you'll clear the path to successful filing. What was the last thing that blocked you from e-filing? How did you solve it? For more solutions to filing roadblocks, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you soon.